Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft composite paste in Icarus. Over on your tech tree inside the Tier 4 section, you can find the blueprint for composite paste just right after the material processor. We have done a video of how to make the material processor in the channel, so if you haven't made your own yet, then I recommend checking that video out if you want to learn more. Now, composite paste is made exclusively in the material processor, and there are two recipes for it. In the material processor, you can make the paste through the use of 2 pieces of iron ore, 1 piece of silica ore, 1 piece of organic resin, and finally gold ore. The other recipe pretty much has the same first 3 materials, except the last one, since this one will need platinum ore instead of gold, so it's not that different from each other at all, and you won't have to scramble around the map finding the materials for it. Now, since the ores mentioned in the recipe can be found in caves, I won't explain much on them, but for the organic resin, you can make it in the mortar and pestle for a piece of wood and oxide, or better yet, you can make it in the material processor since it's technically a higher tier mortar and pestle. Now, all you have to do is basically just craft it. And that's about it on how to craft composite paste in Icarus.